Hello, welcome everybody. Here is another little painting I just did. I did it yesterday, last night actually, and I just wanted to show you how this was done. Welcome back to Carlos Illustrates. I'm sorry I haven't been on here for a while. It's been quite hectic around here with 3 new kittens, injured right ankle. It's been crazy. I'm recouping, but I'm still in pain a little bit, a little swollen, but whatever. It is what it is. Here it is. Here I am. So I wanted to do this little painting because I'm taking part of an art show coming up this weekend here in Dallas, and it's called the Art Mart. I wanted to make several new paintings for the show, and I wanted to go to Michael's and another art supply store and get this little canvases and start painting, but I hurt my ankle and I was out of commission for a whole week, on sitting on the sofa with my foot up, tied in bandages, swollen. I couldn't walk, but everything was just thrown out of the window. But and the show is this weekend. Luckily, I have a lot of artwork that I'll be showing, but I kind of wanted to have some smaller paintings in little canvases and do little refrigerator magnets, to sell. But obviously that didn't happen. But it's okay because I have, like I said, a lot of other artwork. So anyway, what I was doing here, this is a India ink illustration, and I love painting with this. It's Dr. Martin's Bombay India inks, and I love using these because they're kind of like watercolor, but they're not very forgiving, because if you don't know how to manage it, then there goes your whole painting. But I love using these. You can stack them. Meaning you can paint over layers. I usually start from light to dark, go from light to dark, and like in this little painting, I started with the darker side of the hill, if you will, and then I painted the sky, only because I knew it wasn't gonna shadow the hill. I have the colors here that I use. I used the aqua color, white, obviously, black, and for the lights that you see the lights reflecting off of the lake, I use tangerine color, orange, and yellow ochre. So here I'm painting the reflection from the small town lights. And there's something about painting these kind of landscapes where you see blurs of lights across the lake or town or whatever it is, and then you have to like do the reflection on it. I don't know, it just kind of looks very mysterious to me, and you wonder, I wonder what's happening over there, who lives there, what's going on. So that's kind of the feel for these kind of little paintings where you see the town lights hitting on that side, and you always notice that the reflection on the water for these lights, either a river, a lake, or the ocean, the lights reflecting on the water always seem to be brighter than the actual lights on the town. I find that kind of interesting. So here I am, kind of doing the reflection all the way down, and it doesn't matter what angle you're looking at this. It always the reflection is always, like towards you. It doesn't angle at any degree. It's just always towards you. So here I'm just gonna add a little detail. Here I thought I was going to do a reflection off of that little spot right there, off to the right, but I did not. And I just changed my mind. So here is the one of the final touches. So I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And thanks for stopping by. Bye.